Welcome back to Innovative Foods. Today let's make something crispy, creamy and absolutely unique, yogurt cookies or dahi cookies. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl add 3 tablespoon curd and 1 egg. Yogurt adds natural moisture and softness to baked goods. Mix well. Did you know yogurt has been used in baking for over 2000 years? Make sure the curd is thick for a richer texture. Add 3 tablespoon sugar, 2 tablespoon oil and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix everything until smooth. Now add 1 and 1/4 cup flour and 1 teaspoon baking powder. Now combine to make a soft dough. For extra flavor, add a pinch of cinnamon or nutmeg. Don't over-knead the dough, it should stay soft. Now take the dough in a board. Roll out the dough evenly. And use a cutter to make half moon shape. Heat oil on medium flame and fry the cookies until golden and crispy. Fry on medium heat to avoid burning the outside. In some regions, fried cookies like this are traditional festival treats. Yogurt is rich in probiotics, good for digestion. These cookies use less butter, making them a lighter option. Eggs and curd add protein and calcium. Homemade cookies are free from preservative and artificial flavor. Now brush some jam on top and coat the cookies with desiccated coconut for a sweet and festive finish. Your dahi cookies are ready, soft inside, crispy outside and full of flavor. Try it once and you will make them again and again. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Innovative Foods for more fun and easy homemade recipes.